So one of the things you may want to do is go ahead and embed out a PDF file in your Jotform as well. So in that case, you can actually go ahead and utilize PDF Embedder widget. So to do that, you can go to Add Element, and then under Widget, you can see that PDF Embedder is an option right here. If I were to go ahead and bring this in, you can go ahead and say, see the data below. Let's say, for example, right here, and you can go ahead and drag and drop, or you can go ahead and upload out a PDF file that you may have right here, and then click on open. So once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that a PDF is inserted right here, which the form fillers will be able to go ahead and see. You can attach this to submission as well, meaning if you were to select this PDF file will come as a submission part as well. So you can remove the file or add it in as you want. You can go ahead and update this. And apart from that, if you were to go to properties, you can go ahead and align it to the center, align it to the right here. And you can enable and disable the label as you want as well. So I'm just going to go around over here and say, please see the data below right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that this is what you have, and you can change around the width as well. For example, you can go for 400, you can go for 800 as you want as well, as per how you want. So you can go ahead and change the width. You can even go ahead and change around the height right here that you want to showcase for your PDF file as well. So you can see that this is not an interactive form itself. So this is simply a place where the PDF file can be displayed. You can go ahead and duplicate this out as you want as well. But let me just go ahead and delete the duplicated item. And then under properties, if you were to go to advanced, you can see the widget name. So I'm just going to go around and say data right here. And under field label, you can see that this is what you have. Please see the data below. Or I can simply say data for reference right here, just like this. Reference right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and shrink it right here, or disable the shrink. You can even go ahead and shrink it. And let's say, for example, if you were to duplicate the data source side by side, so you can move this to a new line if you don't want to show it. You can go ahead and hide out the field temporarily so that the form fillers won't be able to see it. And you'll be able to see the field details right here as well, as you can see. So this is what you have. Let me just go ahead and delete this duplicated field. So this is what you have right here. So now I'm going to go to the preview form section. And as I do that, you can see the PDF file right here. So you can see the PDF file, which is embedded in form. They will be able to go ahead and access out the data right here. And as per the requirement, they'll be able to use this as a reference and fill the rest of the form as you like. For example, if you want to attach out terms and conditions or important documents or data as you like, you can go ahead and attach out a PDF form right here, just like this. That is PDF file right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the PDF embedder inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.